Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Garage, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace or upgrade your turn signal lights on your mirrors right here. It is a very easy upgrade, takes maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and it's really easy on the checkbook. I got this set up right here for about $35. I'll put links for everything in the description, but they are very easy to install. You could do it yourself, and the cool part about this kit that I found on Amazon, it comes with the tools, even the screwdriver to install it all. So everything you need comes with that $35 price. These ones I got are a smoked lens, and it kind of has a sequence when the lights go on. There are a couple different options depending on what you want. If you want a clear lens, smoke lens, if you want it to be solid, or like in my case, I got the sequencing lights. Really cool. Let me show you how easy it is to install. So the first thing you're going to do is actually pull off the outer plastic piece, and I've seen a couple different ways to do this. I just went ahead and did it with my hands, but they do give you a plastic tool to kind of wedge underneath the edge. Just be careful on how you pull it, but as you start to pull from that outer edge where you can actually grab a little bit of the lip, it'll pop off and then it should slide out. And I'll show you on the inside here, there's just a couple little plastic tabs where it grabs so that when you go to install it back, you're going to slide it in and then pop it forward, and it's just that easy. But play with it a little bit, and I'll show you right here in the video. It just pops right out. Then you can see the insides of your mirror. Then it is very easy. Two different screws that you pull out, undo these wires right there on top. The plug is a very simple push and pull. You just separate the two pieces. Then you can go ahead and lay in your new light, line up those screw holes, and make sure that the gasket around the top and bottom is sitting underneath that plastic on the bottom. Then when you go to put your top plastic piece on, it'll obviously sit over that little gasket there on top, but screw it in place and go ahead and put your plug back together. The only thing I found with these is kind of like a little trick is I got it all back together, but when I went to go turn it on, it wasn't working. So I thought, wait, let's try to switch it around. And what I had done is that the plug goes both ways. So I unplugged it, switched it, and kind of turned the plug around. Then I plugged it in and they worked perfectly. So if you ever see that you install it and they're not working, don't worry. You probably just have the plug switched around. The only thing with this setup is that it doesn't have like an identifier of which way the plug goes. So if it's one way, you can just switch it around the other way and it worked just fine. Also, really quick, if you haven't already, please hit like, please hit subscribe. And I also make my own t-shirts. Check out the website there. I sell them for about 20 bucks. It's something I like to do on the side, some really cool custom designs. So if you want to support me in the channel, grab a t-shirt or just hit like and subscribe. Let's get back to the video. Really straightforward. Pop off your cover, undo the two screws, slide out the old ones, put in the new ones, plug it in, hide that little wire back where it was, tighten down everything, then lay in your cover. Just like I showed you, there's two little things on the inside. You slide it in sideways and then kind of compress it forward. And I had to kind of sandwich the mirror with both hands just to kind of get it popped together, but it should come apart and go together perfectly fine. And there shouldn't be any gaps around that light. So if you see any of it kind of showing or something looks a little bit out of alignment, you probably don't have it together all the way. Don't worry, just pull it back apart, maybe kind of reconfigure it, but it should snap all tight back together. Then you can go ahead and turn your vehicle on, get that ignition going, and you can go ahead and turn your signals on and check it out. So I like these ones. These are the smoked sequence ones. I'll put links for everything in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments. I'm really good at getting back to those. If you haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.